Hi friends, this is Denario Research and welcome to the part number 6 of XRP Telegram bot tutorial. We have finished implementation of the deposit function, and today we'll work with balance. This would be the easiest part of my tutorial, because when user requests his balance, the only thing we need to do is to send query to database and pull balance information from user's profile. So let's begin with bot here's. Bot here's. This time I'll use regular expressions again. B balance. Okay. And callback context. So if bot receives message which contains balance word, this means that we send command to bot to request our balance. And now we need to implement a callback. Firstly, we need to check whether user has username, like we did in deposit function. So we can go to the deposit and copy this part and paste it here. So if user has username, we'll provide his balance, else we'll send the message similar to this: dear user, in order to request balance, please create username in order to request balance. Okay, user should go to the settings, username, and set his username. Okay, now what we should do when user has username. We need to find user's profile by his username. In order to do so, let's copy this part of code because it is very similar to those what we need. And we'll query user profile, and here is username, and in callback we'll have two parameters, error and user's profile. If we have any error, we'll console log it. If user does not exist, which means he has zero balance, we'll send this message respectively, and else we'll provide balance from user's profile. Okay, let's implement part when user does not exist in database. We'll just send message CTX reply, your balance is 0 XRPs. Else we'll make following reply: CTX reply with markdown, your balance is, we'll make it bold, balance user dot balance is balance information from the user's profile plus XRP star. Great, that's all. Let's save and test how this works. I have opened bot in the Telegram and want to see my balance. Let's type show balance. Here is my balance. I have 40 XRPs. Great. Now I am going to change my username and pretend I am another user. Okay, let's add Denario Research 2 and click Save. If I request balance now, I should see 0. Let's try. Balance. And yes, Denario Research 2 has 0 XRPs. Okay. And my final experiment, I will remove username and see what happens. Okay, save. If I try to request balance right now, bot will not allow me to do that, and it will ask me to create username. Okay, let's check balance. Yes, bot asks me to go to settings and create username. Perfect. Well, balance works as we expected. And like I said, that was the easiest part of my tutorial. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more videos, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Bye!